I grew up in England on a farm, and nearby there was a dump. And the dump was a great place to hang out when we were kids with siblings and friends. And that was my introduction to waste and recycling. Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR as it's known as, it's an approach to recycling whereby the producers and the retailers and first sellers of these products have to take responsibility for the full life cycle of the products that they're selling. So we've been working over the last few years to develop more sites and provide them with the correct infrastructure and training and other supports that we can that help them collect these materials responsibly and have a place to safely store them and be collected and recycled. Our infrastructure program started in 2018. Many of the communities before they had the infrastructure were using older style tanks, perhaps had a shack out the back or just a lean-to where the environment wasn't being protected as well as it could be. We provided equipment in the form of modified sea containers and other equipment needed for the collection sites to be able to collect and store these materials prior to them being picked up. We partnered with a company called Container West on Mitchell Island, and they worked with us to develop this system to make sure that the infrastructure we're providing suited the particular application or the community where it was required.
Metro Vancouver's aim is to expand recycling. We are always looking to add more and more options, more materials, and increase the public's intake on recycling options. Having that convenience and one-stop shop, it enhances all programs. The association has been really good to work with, providing us the background and the know-how in implementing the service. It's complementary to everything else we do at our facilities, so it meshes really well. Most residents want to do the right thing, but they need to be aware of the programs. They need to have easy access to these programs. It reduces illegal dumping, it saves residents trapping time, carbon emissions, and there's a whole slew of other benefits that go along with it.
I'm fortunate to have worked in the waste and recycling industry for about 27 years now. And so work with the association has been very rewarding. It's very satisfying to be able to help these communities out and make sure the products are being recycled and end up where they're supposed to.